Welcome back again to another John's Junk episode. Where are we? I have no idea. 138, I think. Today I'm gonna make a skeeter catcher because it is skeeter season, mosquito season in Georgia. And sorry if it sounds like I'm in a wind tunnel. I got a fan on me because it is hot. Got this idea off of he did all kinds of measuring and talking and showing you how to do it specifically and precisely. So I'm going to try to make it, but I think I can do it with 2 buckets instead of 3. I did buy the exact same fan. I've already taken it apart because you don't need to watch me do that. So let's get on it, shall we? First thing we got is our lid base. Something's on me. Two holes, quick as that. Quarter 20 fasteners. These are a pain in the butt to find at my Home Depot. It's like there wasn't even a spot for them. It's not that there's a shortage or anything. It's just they just don't have a nut and bolt bin, a proper nut and bolt bin. What's up with that? Nothing like a good fart noise first thing in the evening. All right, that fits that. $2 and a bit. Cordy McQuarterton. Why do they have to tape everything up? These wire ties, wire ties, wire ties. I'm only interested in that end right there. It's a proper way to do this. No, I'm not going to do it. Bless you. Somebody dropped something really heavy out in the woods. It's like, speaking of dropping and heavy in the woods, do trees poop? Of course they do. That's where we get number 2 pencils from. I should have taken the time and got the proper strippers, because apparently I'm rusty. Either that or this cheap Chinesium rubber is impervious to my attempts. That's more better. Forgot that bit. There's a proper polarity to hook these up. I don't know what it is in the cable, so I'm just going to pretend that there's not. And here's the hint. Wrap your cable or your wire around in the direction you're going to fasten it, so it's not trying to push it back off. It's one of those things that everybody knows, but just in case, you know, just in case. I need to cut a relief. Yeah. That was gross. That'll make a notch for that. What a ripoff. They gave me 3 screws and they gave me 4 screws. 4. They can count about as well as I can. Give me 4 bolts or 4 screws and only 3 nuts. That's how that's going to look. Here's another hint. You don't really need to hold on to the fastener. If you're fastening it from this side especially, that'll hold on just fine. Don't need you, don't need you. It's a really old black light bulb. Incandescent, which is apparently ideal. I bought an LED one just in case this old thing doesn't work. And it does. So now, the reason I did this first is now I got my measurement. First thing I want to do is want to kind of determine where this guy sets. Take a marker. These things are free when you get them from work, by the way. Alright, that's roughly where that guy needs to set. It's close enough. And this guy here can't interfere with that. And I need, I'm going to call it 4 inches of clearance. So how do I get that 4 inches off of this? Head scratcher, head scratcher. I don't think I need to explain what I just did. So all I should have to do is cut below that line and I'll be all right. And I'm going to make 2 cuts. I'll explain why. It's weird cutting something with this and it's not throwing sparks everywhere. Now I got a nice rubbish bin. So, ew, sticky hot. Just throwing my rubbish in my bucket and you alright? You alright? Don't drink so much next time. I was throwing my rubbish in my bucket, then I had to empty my bucket out when I wanted to cut my bucket. Goodbye. Now I'm going to cut on my line-ish. Stuff's messy. Messy, messy, messy. And I just screwed up. I wasn't thinking. I was thinking 4 inches to here. That'll get me that though. And my measurements are way off anyway. booger heads. Good thing I have backup. I'm gonna go halfway down the bucket. What the heck? Now I got another waste paper basket. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my slot. I need to be more aggressive on my slots. That's more better. Beat it. Thought I already pulled all those things off of there. Now, need to provide a place for the boogies to go. That ring I put in there, that's going to be my stopper. I'm going to throw some hot snot on it, and I can't cut above that, so I'm just going to cut some windows in this. There we go. 3 windows. These buckets say food safe. I don't know if they're lung safe though. Alright. Hot glue. Well, that didn't work at all. I had a solution. It isn't going to be pretty. Alright. Screens are in place. It's pretty weak sauce. I think it'll do though. I bought this to do my wiring instead of trying to hack everything into one spot. I think I'm just gonna hot glue this thing in place. Yeah. I'm resisting the urge to hot snot that in place. Yeah. Yeah. Is the same on this side as on the other side? Everything went kerspang. That's okay. It did the spring and spraying, and I don't know where it went. Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go? Man, this third bucket. It went spring and spraying, and it stayed on the bucket. Ah, good grief. You can't make this stuff up. There you go. You get the picture. A picture, not a belly itcher. Somebody's mowing my driveway. Whatever. Got some cleaning up to do. Some zip tie action. This guy right here, that should vacuum up some skeeters, and it comes apart so I can dump the bugs out. And I only used 2 buckets. Shh. Never mind, I screwed the third one up. I'll try to get some shots of it running, but that's it. That's your homemade bucket, 2-bucket skeeter mosquito killer catcher thing. I'm gonna zip tie some wires up and we'll let this thing go. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Oh, and 46.19 minutes from start to finish, because I didn't stop the camera. Yay. Video won't be that long though, I hope. Which way did he go, George? Which way did he